guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do my first haul video. I guess this is going to be an unboxing of all of the Erin Condren products that I just received, and all of this was free to me because a lot of you used my referral credit or my referral link. Thank you so much. And so this is $150 worth of free stuff, a free Erin Condren stuff. So I'm super excited about this. Now this does not feel like $150 worth of stuff. I'm just gonna put that out there, but we're gonna see. So this is peeking out. This is a postcard. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. So let's see if I have $150 worth of stuff. I think this is a gift label, but then again, I'm not that familiar with Erin Condren terminology, so I don't know if this is a gift label or not, but it's a little sticker thing. It says to and from and enjoy. Ooh, this is cute. So I got this. This is just a sticker sheet. It's the watercolor one, and I think I'm going to use this for the monthly for the month of June. So that is what I'm going to be doing with this, I believe. Next, I have the Woven Wonder bookmarks, the metallic mini snap-in bookmarks. So that's like a tealish color with gold foil, navy and silver foil, black and rose gold foil. Then I have the Petite planner budget book, and this is the sticker sheet. So there are 2 sheets in here, super cute. Budget, savings, payday. Honestly, I was just eager to spend my $150. So I was just buying up everything that I always wanted but never really bought. So I got this. Then I got these, you guys, and I'm super excited. So these are colorful and metallic sticker sheets. And so I don't know where the metallic ones are. I'm pretty sure they're behind there, but I'm pretty sure these are like transparent dots. And you guys know I was running out of transparent dots, so I'm excited to have 3 sticker sheets. I also have the snap-in sticky note sheet. So there are 200 sticky notes, super cute. The Woven Wonder one. Then I think this comes, with the planner. I don't think this was additional. So it's kind of like, is this a vacation sticker sheet or no? Yeah, I don't know what this is called because it doesn't say. So I'm not even going to make up a name. But it has a vacation sticker. I love EC, celebrate, time for a getaway, chill all weekend. Super cute foil stickers. I love that little planner. Then, oh, I got this sticker book. Now, I am going to open this. Like, I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes long. At this point, it's only going to be like 10 minutes. So I am going to open this to show you guys. This is the monthly sticker book. Should probably move this box because it's making it awkward. Oh, that's so cute for December. November, October, September, purple, which is my birth month and also my favorite color, and rose gold, which is also one of my favorite colors. I'm excited about that. I didn't notice that. August, some donuts. July, super cute. June, I guess this is to be used on the monthly spread. So I guess I'll start with next month, which is June. So maybe I won't do the watercolor one. May is cute. Unfortunately, May is past. April is cute, purple. March, February, and January. That's cute. Here's the planner, which we'll get to. And then let's see. Oh, I did order this. This was on sale. It's kind of like a clear and gold pouch. I was thinking I would like store stickers in here or pins and stuff for on the go. And it does snap. So that's cute. Okay, so this was $150 worth of stuff. This is a reusable bag, an on-trend and eco-friendly way to shop, and it is the Woven Wonder theme. And I don't really go to Aldi, but I feel like this would be ideal if I did go to Aldi because it's a reusable bag. Next, I have the line sticky notes, and it is the Woven Wonder theme. Super cute. Yeah, and you can stick them on your bookmark, which I'll show you momentarily. And then I don't really know. Oh, this is a kit. I was gonna say I don't know why this is like this. It's a kit. It came in a kit. So I think it is the Life Planner Starter Kit. Maybe. I could have made that up. But I have colorful dual tip markers. So red, black, and blue. It's a nice case. Then it comes with the 3 elastic bands, so like a teal, a turquoise, and purple, which my planners are all super neutral, so I don't really know why I decided to order these, but why not? So these are really cute. Also, it comes with this 2-sided metallic dashboard. Again, the Woven Wonder theme. This is rose gold. It's a habit tracker for the week, I'm assuming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, maybe not. I don't know if there are 7 rows or not. Super cute. You can write on these with, oh, and the back says Monday through Sunday. And you can write on these with the dual tip markers. And so there aren't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are not 7 rows, just 5. So you can track 5 different habits, or oh wait, maybe you do this for the month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This might be like, it might be a monthly habit tracker as opposed to, you know, multiple habit trackers. I don't know, because I've never, I don't know. I'm a rookie when it comes to Erin Condren. And then you get this Classic Collection Edition 4 sticker book. So this is the Woven Wonders theme, as you can see. And let's take a look. Lots of rose gold foil. This is your moment. Don't wish for it, work for it, make life big. These are so cute. Look at these. These are so cute. These are cute too. I mean, they're all cute, but I really like those. 2 sheets. These are silver foil. More rose gold foil, Woven Wonder theme throughout. Super cute. Love these. These are super cute. I think I'm going to plan with just this sticker book 1 week. But I use so many stickers, so like mainly, I mean, I'm probably going to use like, you know, 1/4 of the book. Icon stickers, lots of functional stickers. These are kind of like, I guess they call them translucent. I call them clear because I don't have time to try to be fancy and use the wrong terminology. They're kind of like clear stickers. Cute. Checklist stickers. More of those clear stickers, super cute. Foil. Gold foil. And then that's all. So that is what came with this little starter pack. Again, all of this was $150 for everything. So let's take a look at my new planner. So excited. So this is my old planner, aka the planner that I just got, like, I don't know, last month or something. And so I've kind of been customizing it to my liking. There's just one of my few spreads. I have this cute pen back here for decoration. So this is my current life planner, and it will end in December of this year, December of 2018. So this is my new planner. I'm so excited. It did come with a bookmark, and it has the blue film on it. You can just take the film off, obviously, but it does come with the blue film. You know, it's just a protective film. And then this little, oh, this tells me everything that it came with. Cool. So, oh my gosh. So this is the Luxe, I believe. I'm just going to flip through it to, you know, ensure that everything is normal. So this is a really hard cover. It's not the plastic one like the one over there. This is so, you guys, I cannot. It does come with a pouch. All of them do. So this is the Woven Wonder. So I'm not really here to do a comparison, but let me just show you. Well, first of all, because it's the Luxe, it has kind of like the Woven Wonder theme here and not the little dashboard. And I did get gold foil as a, gold coil as opposed to platinum. So this was the painted petals. If you're new, you know, new like me, you might need to know that information. And this is Woven Wonder. Just flipping through really quickly to make sure everything is intact. Super cute. The page is actually like white as opposed to this one that is not very white. Super cute. So this only has one, this has 2 quotes with the painted petal. This one only has 1 quote over here. This is how this one looks. The year at a glance. Well, this is actually like a year and a half at a glance. This one is 2. Looks pretty much about the same. This one's a little bit, you know, a little bit more boring, I guess. That's pretty much the same. That's how I decided to use that page. But it's pretty much the same. Those are the boxes. Same boxes, dotted boxes. And then this is the note sheet for the year 2018. So it just has the little circles and the lines and the little box with the painted petals up at the top. That is no more. This is what they have, which I'm so excited about because if I'm going to be doing budgeting in this planner, if I'm going to continue to do so, this is perfect for my budget. I can just write out everything over here, do my budgeted column, my actual column, and I just have plenty of space, and I'm super excited about that. So as far as the monthly part, exact same color scheme and everything, except the asterisk is white there, and this one is black. But oh, there's a difference. Let me pull it back out. This does not have a little monthly calendar down here. And this one does. So you'll get a little monthly calendar in the 2019. The weekly should look the same. I didn't have the spread at the time, so there's that. But, oh, January 1st of 2018 was on a Monday. Now it's going to be on a Tuesday, obviously. Monthly spread, the weekly spread pretty much looks the same. I did get the neutral vertical, so that is how they compare. Yeah, literally the exact same. And so yeah, let's just flip to the back, or let's just flip. I'll look later for any oopsies. See if the color scheme is the same. Yeah, pretty much. Yep, color scheme is pretty much the same. September's purple again, yay for that. Yep, that's pretty much the same. So let's see the back. More color sheets. Yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. So I was kind of just showing you guys the sticker sheets are a little bit different. Oh, cute. Oh, that's really different. Let me show you. This is the painted petals, which is black and white. And this one is rose gold and black. So that's it, and you do get the perpetual calendar. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys my new everything, and I don't know, I just wanted to share it with you guys because again, I wouldn't have all of this if it wasn't for you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.